And go back to summary. Because we've gone through and entered in information, we'll see that this screen starts populating. My primary home, it shows the market value, if I have any HELOC, the maximum loan to value, if I wanted to borrow some money on my HELOC, total equity available, $664,000, and I could probably borrow that amount in my HELOC. And it breaks down my debts, right? My MasterCard, my personal loan, and how much I have, my mortgage as well. So from this summary screen, I get a little snapshot of my financial health. And all this information, Henri starts to have that information. So when you get to Henri and start asking the questions, and it starts providing you with different scenarios and how to optimize things, then it's going to take all this into account. Your calendar, you could have a quick view as to when things are due. So I can jump into the calendar and just kind of see. So the reds are all your outflows, the greens are all your inflows. I think the oranges are all your loans. So you can go far ahead. You can go to any date in the future just to get an idea of when things are due. Jump back to today. Go back to summary screen. Breakdown of my expenses and breakdown of my assets. And in here, I can actually see more details as to what my expenses versus my income looks like, each month. And this is going to change monthly, just depending on your expenses. But this gives you an overview as well. You can export the information. If you want to do more analysis on this inside of Excel, for example, you can export it, or you can just print it out. And you can look to the future. And so, for example, what's my cash flow like in December? All right, looking good. And that's just based on the expenses now. And the reality is that most expenses don't change that much. What you spend each month really doesn't change. So this is a good gauge of what your expenses look like in the future. You can't go to the past because there isn't going to be anything. So that's the summary screen and how you kind of look at your balance sheet.